Hello, so I know it's kind of dark, so I hope that you can see me okay. Anyways, I have a pocket knife. Comes in this really cool case. You probably can't see it 'cause it's black. It has a flashlight. I'm sorry, I spelled that wrong. A flashlight. Should do the sign for that one. You open it. Sorry, it's kind of hard to open. You have some pliers. And it closes back up. Here's the flashlight. Woo! And it's got one on this side too. So the lights on the both sides, so on this one and this one. Then you've got this knife. Trying to think what else you've got here. I don't know if I can get these out. You know, a bottle opener. You've got, if you can see this, guys, a screwdriver. I think that's it. Anyways, it's a good idea to have with you, so you never know when you're gonna need these things. So you can check it out on Amazon, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.